Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in today's video. I'm going to be showing you how I make this my twist. Yeah, this is I use expression hair to achieve this look, guys. Yeah, I was just thinking of what to do with my hair, and well, I just come up with this idea of using expression to achieve this crochet, guys. This is DIY crochet made by me. Yeah, so I'll be showing you how I achieve this hair, guys. So firstly, what I did is to take my expression and cut it into two places. I use 3 packets of attachment, guys. As you can see, I cut them into two places. Yes, guys, so I'll just go ahead and feather the tips out. As you can see, the tips are not feathered yet, so I'm just go ahead and feather the tips out. So after feathering the tip out, I'll be taking it little by little. So I'm just feathering the tip out, guys. That is what I'm just doing right now. So after finishing feathering the tips out, so as you can see, I've already prepared my thread on my chair. So I just go ahead and cut the hair little by little, like so, guys. Like so, just not too big, just medium size, and go ahead and cross it on the thread, like so, guys. So I'm still going to show you how to cross it before I can go ahead and do the rest on the thread. Like so, guys. Just cut it little, like so. Yeah, like so, guys. I just cross it on the thread. Very easy, guys. Yes, guys, so after finishing putting it on the thread, so I'll just go ahead and take it one and braid it shortly and leave it. So I'll just braid it one by one and leave it. I'm just braiding it now. So I'm going to braid 1 or 2, and I'll go off camera to braid the remaining one, and I'll come back and show you guys. Yeah. Okay guys, this is after I finish braiding it. You see the way I braid it, guys. I braid it a little and I leave it, just like pick and drop, guys. So that's how I braided it. I braided all of that. So what I'm going to do is to take it 4-4 and twist it together, guys. That is what I'm going to be doing right away. So I'm just going to twist all of that 4-4. Take four pieces and twist it and wrap it on my wrapping pin, guys. So yeah, that is what I'm going to be showing you right now, the way I twisted it. So yeah, you have to comb it for it to be very straight, for you not to have problem with the coils after putting it in hot water. Yeah, so you take 4 pieces just like the way I did it, guys. You see it, 4 pieces of it. I took it and brush it very well. I brush it very well and I twist it together like so. Yes guys, that is what I did. So I'm going to twist all of that like so, guys, but I'm just going to show you this one, the way I twist it. I'm going to show you, and yeah, I'll just go off camera and twist the remaining of the hair for the video not to be too long. So I'll just go ahead and go off camera to twist the remaining ones, and when I finish twisting it, I'll just come and I'll show you guys the way it looks. Yes, so I'm still twisting this one. I've not finished, I'm not done with it yet. So yeah, just trying to show you the tip. Yeah, so guys, that is it. I finished twisting it. Twist the 4 together. So I'll grab my pin, I don't know what you call it. Yeah, but this one is more easier than the straw, guys. Yeah, so just grab it and twist it on it like so, guys. Just twist it like so. Yes, that is what I did with this hair. Just bend it after twisting, and yeah, finish twisting the edge and bend it also for it not to be loose. So you just bend it for it not to be loose, guys. That is it. That is what I did with this hair. So guys, I'll just go ahead and go off camera and twist the remaining one, and I'll come back and show you guys. Yeah, so guys, here this is after I've finished twisting it and putting it on the straw, on the hose, guys. Yeah, so this is it. So the next step I'll be doing is just to remove it from the chair and put it and place it in the plastic bowl. And my water is already boiling, so I'll just put it in the bowl and go ahead and pour hot water on it. So guys, after putting it in the hot water, I'm just going to remove it from the hot water. I leave it inside this hot water for like 10 minutes, guys. Now I'm removing it from the hot water. I just put it on the towel for it to get dried, guys. That is what I'm doing. So I'm going to leave this like so till daybreak, yeah, for it to get dried, very dried, before removing the hose on it. Yeah, so yeah, this is the next day, guys. I've already I put them back to the chair for it to be more easier for me to remove the hose. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the way to remove it. It's very easy. Yes, guys, like so. I just remove it like so. Look at that coil, guys, so nice. It came out very beautiful. So I'm going to remove it. After removing the hose, I'm going to open the twist. Remember, guys, I took it 4/4 to just twist it together. So I'm going to separate it for each one to have their coils. Yes, I'm still going to separate it. Don't forget, guys, I'm still going to separate it. Yeah, this is after I remove the hose, so it's time to separate the coils, guys. So I'm still going to separate the coils. just take the one. I begin from the starting because it's more easier when you begin from the starting. Very easy. And yeah, just go ahead and separate it like so. Yes guys, so guys, let me stop talking for you to enjoy the remaining of the video. Look at the coils guys after separating it. So just going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Until I come your way next time guys, stay blessed and bye bye.